Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the Royal Ridge Stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, how to make the half double crochet stitch, the double crochet stitch, and how to work in the third loop. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make any number of chains. I have already made 22 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 1 double crochet into the third chain from your hook. You're now going to make 1 double crochet into each chain across. So that's 1 double crochet into the third chain and then 1 double crochet into each chain across for row 1. To start row 2, make 2 chains. Into the first stitch of your row, make 1 half double crochet. You're now going to make 1 half double crochet into each stitch across. And that's how row 2 is looking. To start row 3, make 2 chains. We're going to be making half double crochet stitches like we did in our last row into each stitch, but we're going to be working into the third loop. So we're going to identify the third loop first. If you're looking at the top of your stitches, this loop on this side, the farthest away from you, is going to be the back loop. The one closest to you, this one right here, is the front loop. And then the loop right underneath it, this one, is the third loop. So, working into the third loop of that first stitch is going to be right here. And you're going to make a regular half double crochet into that third loop. Same thing with the next one. The third loop is right here. Make a half double crochet. This is the third loop. Make a half double crochet. This is the third loop. Make a half double crochet. So you're going to continue to work in the third loop of each stitch and make a half double crochet for the rest of your row. When you reach the end of your row, you're going to have one stitch left. Into that last stitch, make one regular half double crochet. And that is how row 3 is looking. You would now repeat row 3 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the Royal Ridge stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.